Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Humber Snipe car from the 1930s. So, let's take the sprue cutters and cut the pieces. Just clean up the sprue cuts here. There you go, there's the two bumpers. And then, of course, we have the wheels to do. Just take all these sprue, cut them off of the wheels here. There you have it. So, done the cutting process, now let's glue this thing together. Take this side and just get some glue here along these edges. And then you can decide if you wish to put something in there like a weight. And then put this together. Notice how I use the table to help guide this car's pieces together. And then if you wish, you can take the top seam there and put some modeling putty in there and sand it down or whatever you wish. This is okay because it's going along the door, and then the bottom, no one sees the bottom really. So it's just that top that you would need to do that. Put some modeling putty, set it down, paint it well, something like that. All right. One thing that I forgot, you would take these pieces, cut them out. Yep, there you go. So carefully just get those pieces cut. Excellent. Now let's take our 6 wheels and get them glued together. So first of all, I'm going to put some glue there and glue there. And then just take the wheel there, put it like that. Put that wheel there. Of course, if you're painting this, you may want to glue these wheels on after the fact. But for the assembly tutorial, this is the way it will go. Now, just take this wheel, put it like that. That wheel, put it like that. We're not done though, we're going to do the other side. Alright, that's looking good. So in regards to the bumpers, it's good to test fit things. You will see that this bumper only fits in the front. So it's the front bumper. So get some glue there, like that, and like that. And then carefully, let's take this front bumper, put it in place. There you go. Now we can take the back one, do the same thing. So, see how that worked? Well, there it is. This is available at miniaturetanks.com. Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you so much for watching.